This is Kevin Clifford for American Tech Consultants with AI and Personalized Learning. This current event comes from CBS News. The report is titled School Uses AI Instead of Teachers for Personalized Learning. Co-founder breaks it down. Its applied summary says, a school co-founder explains how artificial intelligence is used for personalized learning instead of traditional classroom teachers. This video treats that report as an event signal, not as proof of broader results. The source link appears with this video so viewers can examine the original coverage and its context. For business owners, the useful first step is to separate what the source directly reports from assumptions about what the technology may eventually do. Headlines can identify an important development, but decisions should be based on the underlying evidence, the operating environment, and the needs of the people affected. For business leaders, this event is a prompt to ask practical questions before adopting a similar approach. What specific problem would the technology address? Which users would depend on it? And who would remain accountable for the outcome? What information would the system receive, retain, or share? The source summary describes one reported situation. It does not establish that the same approach will fit every organization. Leaders should identify the desired result, the limits of the available evidence, and the conditions that would cause a pilot to stop. They should also ask vendors to distinguish demonstrated functions from planned features, general claims, or marketing language. A measured pilot can help an organization learn without treating an early idea as a finished operating model. Define a narrow use case, a responsible owner, and a review process before work begins. Protect confidential information, confirm access controls, and decide how inaccurate or inappropriate output will be handled. Keep a human decision maker involved wherever the result could affect customers, employees, students, finances, security, or compliance. Record what was tested and compare the result with the original objective. The goal is not to assume success or failure from one news report. The goal is to evaluate relevance, limitations, and risk using evidence from the organization's own environment. Start by reading the cited report and confirming which details are directly supported. Then write down the business problem, the people involved, the information required, and the outcome that would justify further investment. Compare more than one option. Include the people who will use or oversee the system, and set a date to review the pilot. If the evidence remains uncertain, keep the scope small and avoid irreversible commitments. Technology planning works best when opportunity, security, privacy, cost, and human responsibility are considered together. American Tech Consultants helps businesses plan, integrate, and support AI and information technology solutions. Learn more at americantechconsultants.com. Call 954-998-2994 or email support@americantechconsultants.com. American Tech Consultants helps businesses plan, integrate, and support AI and information technology solutions. Learn more at americantechconsultants.com. Call 954-998-2994 or email support@americantechconsultants.com.